Hey guys, it's Kisei from Artistic Behavior LLC, and right now I know I look like a cast member from Dead Presidents, but what I'm actually using is Philosophy's Purity Made Simple Pore Extracting Exfoliating Clay Mask. A lot of times our pores appear huge when they're actually just dirty. So when we're removing our makeup, we're using our hands like so, and we're actually pushing dirt back in our pores, which make them look bigger. So 1 to 2 times a week, what you want to do is use a clay mask. And again, this one is from Philosophy. This is exfoliating clay mask. It has 0.5% salicylic acid. So this is going to act like your steam cleaner, get deep down and pull all that dirt and stuff out your pores, so your pores appear a lot smaller. With the salicylic acid, that's going to help to combat any kind of future breakout or shut down any breakouts you might have. I have a couple coming in right now that are being very disrespectful. So this is going to get rid of them. I leave this on for 10 minutes. I'm going to wash it off with warm water, exfoliate my skin a little bit, and then follow with my skincare treatment, my skincare routine. So again, you want to use this. I like to use a clay mask once a week in the wintertime, twice a week in the summertime when you're overproducing the extra oil. So again, this is Philosophy's Purity Made Simple Exfoliating Clay Mask. I left you a link below if you want to purchase. And you guys have a great day. Peace out.